Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is 3 classic rock guitar mega chops. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. So what we're talking about today, I've figured out 3 cool mega chops, and they're quite easy to play but still demanding, and I'm gonna explain them to you step by step. But first I'll show you which one I'm gonna talk about. That will be number 1. Number 2. And number 3. They pass so fast, but still they are quite some work. So let's get started. Okay, the track is in A minor, so we're using the A minor scale, the A minor blues scale, the A minor whatever. I'm gonna explain everything in detail, how to work on stuff like that. Of course you need to have your things a little bit together, otherwise it's going to be hard, but still for those guys who want to go to the next step and just have some cool little mega chops in the repertoire, this is probably a really good add here. First one is the most easy one, is this one. That's a really simple one from the technical side. We're just playing the blues scale down from the G here with palm muted technique. Let me take a softer distortion, that you hear details a little bit better. So we're just going up palm muted. We're starting on the 3rd fret. And the fingering is really crucial. You do here middle finger, ring finger, pinky. And the great thing is it's symmetrical. So it's basically the same fingering repeats every 2 strings. So, and in really plain 16 also, taka 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 taka. The track is in 100 BPM, so taka taka taka. And ended up here in the 17th fret. And then make a final phrase. Something like this, you know, to just finish the phrase. Let me put this back with the again. To make it more expressive, do harder palm muting on the low 2, 3 strings, and then the higher you get, the less palm mute technique you're doing. See, I'm just by rotating the hand a little bit, you get this effect. So let's put it in the track. It's really cool. I think the guitar was not so loud before compared to the backing track. Let me quickly change that a little bit. So now we have a little bit more volume. Really cool. You can also use this run really to connect. You play something in a low position, you want to get on the maximum high position, you can use this run to connect with each other. Now we have one run up, we need one down, and that one will probably be this way. Let me switch off the delay. I go to a moderate gaining here. Resolves perfectly. We start here in the 12th and we just make go down the scale, really check out the fingering. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and from here we just play down the scale. But in this position, that means we have this stretch figure here with index, middle, pinky. And now we want to have a run back up. Now we're using the 3 note per string position here in the root position. We're going back up in 6 notes. We're going down in 16 notes. You can also variate with the palm muting here while you go down, and then you immediately go back up. So just in 6 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, slide up back in 12, and then we started on 12, went back to 12, and yeah, this really big movements in between. And this stuff is also not, I mean, it's demanding, but there's in fact harder stuff to play. So let's do this now with the backing track. The guitar is still not really enough. Let me give it a little bit more volume. So, normally the guitar player is always the loud guy, but I'm always one of those guys who is not loud enough. Okay. Again. So you go from here back to the first lick or mega chop. That's also cool if you want to do that. Now the last one is the most demanding one. I hope I can play it. Here we're doing economy picking. We're doing an A minor with economy picking, A minor arpeggio. And then we're going back down as before. We're going doing this figure again, then we're going down with a G major arpeggio. And then here from the G on, we just finish up with the scale. That's also pretty cool, quite effective. Let's do that one. Sounds pretty cool, but it passes so fast. Now we want to I just show how you use these mega chops in your normal playing. You know, you can place quite easygoing, and then you need something to spice up your solo. And here we are, but still guitar is really low. That was probably loud. Yeah, I'll take the other one. Okay, so it just started easy going. I have to put up the volume. It's really, I don't know what was on my mind when I started tutorial, but don't want to record it again. So now it should be enough volume. Okay. pretty well with other types of soloing element. You just mix it up the way you want. Yo guys, this was 3 classic rock guitar mega chops. I hope you liked them. As already said, among all possible things you could do, I selected stuff which is in the reach of an average advanced player, you know. It's still in the range, but if it's stuff is really new for you, you probably first need to make a few technical exercises, which I probably should also show up in an upcoming tutorial, so please subscribe to my channel. If you want to have the tabs of these licks plus the backing track to practice with, that one, the backing track is really on a cool tempo. This way it sounds cool, but it's still not too fast to play. It's 100 BPM, I think. It's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join the free member account, but in order to download the stuff, you need a premium member account. One more to say, please support my channel by sharing the information that mean that the pink are existing. And bye guys.